you do this? I told you I don't want
On December 24th, 2023, officers responded to an intoxicated woman who was having a complete melt and broke a window at her boyfriend's house.
Sierra? Hey, what's going on?
It's my fault.
Are you hurt at all?
No.
Okay, you're bleeding, so are you hurt? Let's take a deep breath. Hey, stop touching the glass.
I can't, man.
Do you need medical attention?
No, he does.
Why?
Please, he set me up.
Why don't you, let's walk away. Let's get out of this.
Grab my back, please.
We'll get it.
He did this.
Where are you bleeding from?
My hand.
Okay, is it bad?
No.
Can you lift up your shirt for me?
Ma'am.
Can you lift up your shirt? No, like your sleeve.
I just wanted my phone and my keys. He did this. I didn't want to go out. He did this. He's on.
I have medics.
He's on house arrest. Please.
Take a seat, okay? Just take. Yeah, take a seat.
Ma'am.
Okay, we'll take a seat. Okay. Have a seat.
Ma'am.
Please don't grab you.
No.
Do you live here?
No.
Where do you live?
Oh. No.
Sierra, sit up for me, please.
He did this. Look at him. He was just looking because he knows.
Is this your car?
My car is right there.
Did you drive here?
Yes, I drove here straight after work, and I asked him yesterday if he could find my phone. I asked him yesterday, I said, can we do something, like go out or something? He took me out to his clubhouse.
Are you guys dating?
Yeah.
When did you get here? So where did you drive from?
I came here straight from work. I got here at 8 o'clock. If he would give you my phone.
You got here at 8
I don't know what time it is. He has my phone.
It's 2:30 a.m.
I want to just
Sierra.
go. I don't want to go to jail.
Take some deep breaths, okay?
Man.
I need you to breathe for me, okay?
I want to go home. He was mad because he didn't want to sleep with another girl. I wanted to just go to bed and go home in the morning. He's on house arrest. He set me up.
Why did you break the window?
Because I want my keys. I want my phone. I want to get out of here. He's crazy.
Okay.
Man.
Do cocaine with Sierra? You need to tell me if you did. What is your deal? You did more than drink alcohol.
If I did.
Did you do cocaine with Sierra?
If I did, I don't know.
You don't know? How do you not know you didn't drink that much, Sierra? What is this?
Hey, that's enough.
I'm not trying to argue.
I know, but that's enough, okay? She's going through a little bit right here, so let's worry about her
What
medical.
do you want?
And you yelling.
What do you need out of there? What do you need so I can get it for you?
She's looking for medication.
Where's your medication?
Set in a different bag.
In which bag?
Is this all she has here?
That I know of. She has things here. She's been staying here for she's been coming and sleeping over.
Does she have anything inside?
She has candles and other little shit in there. Shit for her kids.
You don't know about any medication?
I believe her medication is in there.
What did you take today?
You already took this?
I don't care what you guys have to say.
No.
Why?
Man, we're just trying to figure out what you took.
Stop touching the glass, okay?
Stop touching the glass.
You're not going to hear me until Bucky.
You need to sit up.
You're not going to hear.
Sierra.
Stop! Hey! Stop! You're not.
You are going. Let go.
Sierra. You called out.
Stand up, okay? Stand up.
I'm not. I can't. But please,
You got her.
No! Stop! No! Thank you. Let go! Let go! Bucky!
Thanks for kicking me.
Yep.
Bucky, why would you do this?
Grab her arm.
I know.
I got it. Just.
Bucky!
Are you okay?
Yeah,
I think so.
Bucky, why would you do this?
Take this one first. first.
You're under arrest for assaulting a police officer, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
No.
Can we at least get my car out of here?
No.
please?
You kidding me?
Stand up.
Oh my.
Just let her go.
I'll find you in the morning.
You will not! You will not!
You don't want me to, I won't, but I will.
You fucking knew better, Bucky!
Stop talking, please. Just stop.
I don't have nothing.
I'm looking for your wallet.
I don't have a wallet because Bucky knew I don't have an ID. I can't even. Please let me hit my vape.
Coming, right?
No.
Please let me. Bucky!
Yes.
Bucky! Please let me hit my vape, please.
Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose.
I can't, ma'am.
Try. Don't really get. Breathe in through your
I'm
nose.
sorry. I don't even.
Just breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth.
I have put everything on the line for him, ma'am, please. I put everything on the line for him, please. Even my own kids, Stop!
Stop.
That's enough.
I put everything on the line for you, Bucky!
Stop.
Look at him watching!
Just sit back on your butt. Get sat back on your butt. Breathe.
Look at him watching!
Breathe. Breathe.
I will never see my kids again because of you!
Stop.
Please!
Stop.
Please! Please!
Get her back on her side.
Take it! It's cause for your hand. Why me?
You're gonna need stitches, Sierra.
Why did he do this to me? Oh my God, Bucky! Bucky!
Calm down.
Bucky!
Come into the hospital, Sierra. I love you.
No, you don't. Bucky!
Sierra, I'm coming to the hospital. Calm down, please.
Hey,
because you're never gonna know
no
it.
way. No way. I need to see your face! Please!
What's your
No! No! Stop! Bring me Bucky, please!
What's your birthday?
I just want to see Bucky!
What's your birthday?
No! Ask Bucky! Ask
He doesn't
Bucky!
fucking know. What's your birthday?
Well, then that's his problem. I don't know.
Why are
I don't
you
know
yelling?
his birthday. Give me
I just
Bucky.
got here.
Give me Bucky! I'm sorry you just
I
got
don't
here.
even
but
know
give
who
me
Bucky is. What's your
He's
birthday?
right there! Give me Bucky!
What's your
Bucky!
What's your first name?
I don't fucking know. Ask Bucky.
It's Sierra.
Sierra.
Ask him anything else. I bet he doesn't know because he's a bitch. Bitch ass. You fucking bitch. You shouldn't even have a vest, bitch. You ain't never gonna be shit, bitch. And that's why your kids are still not with you, bitch. And that's why you're still on an ankle monitor, bitch. But I'm the one cuffed up, shackled up, ho. Cause I'll tear your fucking face off, bitch.
Got it.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Bucky. Fucking bitch.
Can we get you up on the cot?
No!
Laying on the ground.
Not until I see Bucky's face. Bucky!
Oops, I'm sorry, Chad.
No!
I got it.
Bucky! Don't Bucky!
Grab the strap.
Bucky!
First.
Bucky!
Go. Kick.
Bucky! Are you fucking kidding me, Bucky? Seriously? Bucky! I'll follow.
After a very unpleasant trip to the hospital, Sierra was charged with assault on a peace officer, 2 counts of assault on hospital employees, resisting arrest, 2 counts of property damage, and public intoxication.